Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell laptop. For this case, I'm going to insert in my USB. I switch on my laptop. After switching on, I double tap F12. For this case, I don't have the USB options, so I place F12 to go to the boot menu. For this case, I'm going to be using my wireless keyboard because my down arrow is not working, so I'm going to use my wireless keyboard. I press enter. For this case, I'm going to go on the boot sequence. I double tap boot sequence. I enable USB drive, USB storage drive. Then you have to make sure that your internal hard drive is also on. Then after, you come here on post behavior. You double tap post behavior, then you come down here on USB emulation. Then after, you enable legacy USB emulation. Then after, you come here down, you apply and you exit to save changes. So in order to save changes, you double tap F12. So as you can see, my USB drive has been shown. So in order for me to install Windows on my Dell laptop. So after, I'm going to press enter, then I place any key on my wireless keyboard. As you can see, it's now loading, getting ready to install the Windows on the USB hard drive. Then I install them on my laptop. As I'm waiting, you can be subscribing on my YouTube channel. In order, you click the bell icon to get useful videos like this. I'm by names of Syra. As I'm waiting for my Dell laptop to install the Windows, as you can see, it's loading to show that it's now installing. Then after, it's now done. As you can see, my laptop, I'm going to install the Windows 8. Thank you. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'm by names of Syra. Thank you.